land is your land, and this land is my land. From the California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters, this land was made for you and me. As I went a walking.
I have no idea what it's going to do.
When we were talking outside, he scared the shit out of me. That'll be the last one.
3, 2, 1.
Oh shit, David, watch out.
I'm deaf. I'm totally deaf now. It's like it blew my eardrums out.
What?
The cigars are hard to light with.
Yeah, you gotta hotbox it right before you do it.
Watch out, Lawrence. Look at that, dude.
That was a good one.
Dang. Wait, that's one firework? Yeah.
Oh! Oh! To hell with Lake Austin. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Ha! Fly me to the moon and let me swing among the stars. Yeah! Dang! Oh my gosh! What the hell? Holy crap! Jesus! Oh my God!